Good morning, all the students of 5th standard. We are learning the third lesson of our EVS second Life on Earth. In this first lesson, we are taking the second paragraph, that is page number 12. So, on that day, we have seen or we have studied that how our Earth goes on changing continuously, how it underwent on changing that. Now, today we'll see the next one part on the basis of the scientific research. Scientific research is going on, scientific discovery started, scientists start to be studying. So, on the basis of their research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, what is that? Scientists they proved that on the basis of scientists' discovery, on the basis of scientists' theory, it is considered or it is believed that around the 4.5 billion years ago, 4.5 billion years ago, I am not saying as a million, I am saying as a billion ago, that 4.5 when we are saying that. So 4.5 in the last lesson, previous lesson also I told you to write one chart diagram about the year that. So that I hope you wrote, you try to understand that. So 4.5 billion years ago situation it is there. Scientists believe that our earth was formed before the 4.5 billion years ago, means 4.5 nearby 9 zeros. An enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. So before the 4.5 billion years ago, in this space there was an enormous cloud was there. The cloud or the air was moving with going with flowing with a fast speed, and in that fast speed dust particle also start to be move. As we know that in a summer season also, when the air blows heavily, that time how other dust particle also they are there in the airs, and small things, papers, along with that carry bags also move fastly, speedily there only. So enormous cloud of very hot gases started there, and dust particle also start to be spin or start to move, that form the space. It's a circular motion and a great speed, and when the air is blowing with a great speed, that motion is into the circular motion, that it is moving with a great speed into the circular motion. Mostly in summer season we have seen that how that air start to be move with a great speed into the circular motion. There only they are moving all the things there round like a top. So it start to be move with a greater speed in a space. It's a circular motion and great speed cause it to divide it into the several portions, thus the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. So that when it is revolving with a great speed, that causes the planet solar system, that causes the sun and other planets in our solar system. It start to move with a greater speed, that causes the differences between the planets in our solar system, among that sun and other planets they are separated. So name of the planets, which are the planets are there in our solar systems. Mercury is there. These names are according to their size, means which one is a bigger. According to that, Mercury is the biggest. Sorry, Mercury according to the means a sequence there. It is not on the size. It is according to the sequence which is closest to the sun. There, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Like in this way, there are 8 planets are there in our solar system, and Sun is a biggest huge star there. Sun is the biggest star there. So leaving to the Sun, another 8 planets are there. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are according to the sequence, their positions from the Sun. So if we see the position from the Sun, the Mercury is the closest to the Sun. Second closest, that is Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun, and our Earth is on the third position that from the Sun. If you see that, it is the third closest planet. Mars is on the fourth positions, Jupiter is on the fifth positions, Saturn is on the sixth, Uranus is on the seventh, and Neptune is on the eighth position. And last one, that is Pluto, is their dwarf planet, is on the, it is at the last, means they are longer from sun. That our earth is on third positions, the distance, if you see that. So among that, which is the closest to the sun? That Mercury planet is closest to the sun in the solar system. Now, point number 3.2, the beginning of life on the earth. What is the next one point? Our the beginning of life on the earth, how the life start to be begin on our earth. This point is there, but before that, one more time I want to tell you that how our earth is formed. So on the basis of the scientific discovery, scientists, they prove that, or they believe that our earth is formed, it is formed around 4.5 billion years ago. It is around the 4.5 billion years ago our earth is formed. That enormous huge hot gases, clouds with the dust particle, they start to move with a great speed into the space, and due to that our space was formed. And when they start to move with a great speed, that created the, in our solar system, sun and other planet in our solar system. And if we say that the sun is the biggest star in our solar system, and which are the other planets are there, their sequence from the sun on the basis of their distance. First one closest, that is Mercury is there. Second one closest to the sun, that is Venus is there. Third one, if you see, that Earth is there. Fourth one from the sun, the position, that is Mars. Fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, and seventh one Uranus, and the eighth one is Neptune. So in this way our solar system is formed, that, and among that sun is there. So scientists consider, it is the scientists' opinion or the belief, that our earth was formed before the 4.5 billion years ago, and there was enormous hot clouds, or the gases start to be move with a great speed, that causes the our solar system. Okay, so this is the information about the formation of our earth, how our earth is formed. This informations we have studied with the given point. So what you have to do today, you have to write the information about solar system, that total how many planets are there, that you have to write, and how our earth is formed. This answer also you have to write with your own mind. The answer you will get on the same page, page number 12, on the lesson number 3, page number 12. In the first point only, the formation of the earth, below the globe, earth figure is there, below that only you will get how our earth is formed. That information you have to write. So this is your homework, that how our earth is formed, and all the planets in our solar system according to their sequence, according to their positions from the sun, that you have to write. So when we will come tomorrow, then we will come with the second one point of the same lesson, that is beginning of life on the earth. So till at that time, you read out these lessons, read again and again, more time, that if you read, then you can understand. It is the easiest step. So you have to study properly, that read out, you can get. Till at that time, just focus on study. Thank you very much.